This is a trench that I dig out. All right, so I'm digging out the trench. Okay, so what happened, I already did over here. So I'm gonna show you now what I do to maintain this soil. All right, guys, you see what I now did. I went and get some rotten tree trunk and I placed them in my garden. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to cover it with some dirt, because when you cover it with dirt, it works a lot faster, because now you're gonna attract earthworms and all these bugs that you need in your garden, because that's what you're doing. You're bringing nature to your garden. So by doing this already have ants and all type of bugs inside of it already. That's needed in this garden. So watch exactly what I'm doing and see why I said my garden is 100% organic. within a year and a half, exactly a year and a half, this will be able to feed